Down here in South Louisiana, as hot as it is right now, it's hot. Your squash, zucchini, watermelons, cucumbers, they take a tremendous amount of water. But you got to be cautious. With that mulch around them, and you try to water them without deep rooting, the roots stay shallow, and the sun and the heat, it works against each other. Either do deep watering, or just put the mulch in and leave them be.
That's it.
Now, with your squash, if you can deep water it every day, do it, because that squash produce 3 times as fast if you keep the water coming, because they water hungry.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, cucumbers, squash, watermelons, they are water hungry.
They are. So if you notice, and I was telling my dad, I've not set up my watering system yet, guys. We're at the end of May 2024, and I've not set a watering system up yet in this garden, but it has been raining enough that if you move my heavy mulch, that soil's still damp.
It is.
So there's no reason, unless my plants are in an area that has a little bit, like very little mulch, or they're just coming up, that you need to water every day.
Yeah. Or you're trying to just actually kick them in gear like your squash.
Right.
I mean, the more water, the faster they'll grow.
He's eating the...
What's he doing?